Hi guys, my name is Jasmine and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever video and I'm so excited. Today I did this look using the Voss palette. For Valentine's Day, just hanging out with your friends, your significant other, if you're going out to meet daddies or you already have one. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. So for today's look, we are going to be using the Voss Pro palette, and the first color we are going to start out with is Transition right in the crease. Alright, and the second color from that palette we are going to be using is Badescu. And for this, I'm grabbing a small angled blending detail brush. Next, we are going to use the color Are You Kiddin' Me? And for this, I'm going to be using a small round blending detail brush. And I'm going to pop that right in the crease. I'm also going to be putting some on the outer third of the eye, but I'm really going to be focusing it in the crease. And then I'm going to go back in with the first brush I used, which was a small flat blending detail brush, and I'm just going to blend all those colors together. From the True Technique, I'm going to be using this brush right here, but I'm not exactly sure what it's going to be called. What it is called. Yes, that's correct. And I'm going to be popping that Wine and Dine on the outer crease of the eye, just patting it in and then blending it out. And I'm just going to go in with a little bit more transition and blend out the top. I'm going to go in with one more color. We're going to use the color Teddy Bear, and we're just really going to darken up the outer V. Alright, so once that's done, I'm going to grab a flat brush, and I'm going to go back in with the color Wine and Dine. And I'm just going to pack that on a little bit in the middle. So I'm going to grab a flat brush, and I'm going to start off with Glamping. And I'm just going to pop it right in the middle. Go ahead and grab On Fleek, and I'm going to drag that into Glamping. I'm going to grab So Jelly next. Is just go back in with this brush that I used for Wine and Dine, and I'm going to blend these two colors together because we don't want no harsh lines. I'm going to go in with the color Bestie and Are You Kidding Me? I'm just going to mix them together. I'm going to run that on my lower lash line. Just poke myself in the eye. That's cool. Alright. Then I'm going to grab a flat shader brush. It looks just like this. And I'm going to grab Wine and Dine. And I'm going to drag that on the inner part of the lower lash line. It's going to look a little funny now, but once you blend it out, it'll look a lot better. And then I'm going to grab that same brush and just blend it out on the bottom. And a little bit of Teddy Bear and Wine and Dine mixed together, and I'm just going to go ahead and do that one more time. Just kind of dragging the color down. Alright, and then here's the look with mascara on. Feel free to put lashes on if you want, but I have not even closely come to mastering that technique yet, but I will be working on it. I've already done concealer and foundation, so I'm just going to go ahead and go in with bronzer. I use the NYX bronzer in the color Deep Tan. And this angled blending face brush. An angled brush to do my nose. Looks really scary at first, but don't worry because you're going to blend it out. And then I just go in with this tapered contouring brush and just kind of blend that away. And then for blush today, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Blush Trio. Not even trio, because trio is 3, right? And this is a 4. Okay, well either way, it's a blush and highlight palette. And mine's broken, so there's no top. This is called Blush Palette Goodness. Blush Palette Goodness. And I mix these two end shades together with my also broken, everything of mine is broken, and I just don't have money to buy more. So, my life sucks. Alright, so I'm just going to blend them together. I always smile and then just kind of go from there. Alright, and last but not least, my favorite part is highlight, of course. But first I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Mario Badescu. I don't even know. Either way, it's the cucumber and green tea, and I just like to give a little hydration back to my face. Or a lot. whatever you feel like. For highlight today, I'm going to go in with my Carly Bybel. For this, you can kind of use any color. Along with my Carly Bybel palette. Wow. If I could find it. Oh, I'm going to go in with my Becca highlight. And this color is in Opal. This is what it looks like. So pretty. And I use my Real Techniques brush. And this is the setting brush, but I use it as a highlight brush. So I'm going to mix Opal together today. And the second shade of the Carly Bybel palette, which I love, obviously, as you can tell, because I hit pan. And I'm just going to go ahead and highlight. And that is it for this look. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.